take and travel with NGT channel. Here we will obtain about Einstein relation. I mean the ratio of diffusion coefficient to the mobility is equal to K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature, and E is the charge. I mean D by mu equal to KT by E. This relation is called as a Einstein relation. Now we know that particle flux in plasma does not remain same everywhere. Particle flux can be produced because due to the difference of the density. Plasma particle can flow from higher density region to lower density region. So due to production of particle flux, we can write this type of relation. Particle flux is proportional to डेल्टा n डिवाइडेड बाय n. आई मीन n में से डेल्टा n नंबर जितने ज्यादा पार्टिकल है वो हायर डेंसिटी रीजन में से लोअर डेंसिटी रीजन में जाएंगे. सो दिस प्रोड्यूस पार्टिकल फ्लक्स. सो पार्टिकल फ्लक्स प्रोपोर्शनल टू डेल्टा n डिवाइडेड बाय n, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ due to this particle flux we can say this will be equal to phi n equal to d delta n divided by n. What is D? D is the diffusion coefficient. Why the diffusion is produced? Diffusion is produced due to particles are coming from higher density region to lower density region. n में से n plus delta n है, इसमें से delta n नंबर जितने लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड में से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आते हैं. I mean this produce particle flux. Okay, you consider unit cell of plasma. Here pressure is P, here pressure is P plus dP. So particle flux will be produced from higher pressure region to lower pressure region. यहाँ प्रेशर ज्यादा है और नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल भी ज्यादा है, तो यहाँ राइट हैंड साइड में से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएंगे. बट along which direction? You can say in this case O is the origin. This one is the from origin to this. Here is a positive axis, but from here to origin it is the negative x axis. Now you can say that we are here move towards the origin. I mean higher density region to lower density region. So pressure gradient will be negative. Sign will be negative here. Now P equal to nkt. Kinetic theory of a gas. Okay, well, what is n? N is the number density of particle. K is the Boltzmann constant. T is the temperature. Delta P equal to KT delta N. Why it is only delta N? Because there is a change in number density from higher density region to lower density region. Okay, they will number of particle, delta N number of particle will move from higher density region to lower density region. What is V? V is the drift velocity of a particle. So V equal to mu into E. What is mu? Mu is the mobility. Now you also see that the coefficient of delta n by n, it is called diffusion coefficient. Here coefficient of electric field, it is also called as a mobility. Okay, so D is the diffusion and M is called mobility of the charged particle. Again let me say, what is resultant force exerted on this unit cell of a plasma? It is resultant force equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3. I mean three type of forces will be exerted on unit cell of plasma. What is force? Force is mass multiplied by acceleration. N is the number of the particle. This one is the total force. First force on this unit cell will be exerted on it will be Coulombic force. Coulombic force, what is Coulombic force? F equal to, okay, let me say E into E. It is called Coulombic force of attraction. N is the number of particle. What is another force acting on this unit cell? It is pressure gradient. Pressure gradient means there is a change of a pressure along the negative axis. So sign is negative. Okay, what is P? P equal to KT delta N. Again place the value. Sign is negative here because it is along the negative axis. Now what is this? This type of a force, it is the force due to frequency of collision. Nu is called frequency of collision. Mass, okay, here velocity meter per second, again per second. So this meter per second square. Okay, so mass meter per second square, work quantity like this. Okay, it will be equal to acceleration. So force 1 plus force 2 plus force 3. Okay, so resultant force will be in MA equal to equation number 6. Now in the equilibrium condition, समतोलन की परिस्थिति में क्या होगा? Resultant force will be equal to 0. We should place resultant force equal to 0. And again place the value of this. Okay, now this will become into left hand side, M and V nu equal to E into KT delta and equation number 7. Make V as a driver of formula or subject of formula. Okay, this will be equal to this. Now n will be cancelled here. Okay, now you imagine what is the coefficient of E here? E m nu. What is the coefficient of E? Equal to mu. Okay, so E by n nu, E by m nu equal to mu. Here we are comparing coefficient of electric field in equation number 8 here and equation number 4. ये so mu equal to क्या मिला? mu equal to ये mu equal to इसका जो coefficient है, इसका coefficient E by m nu here, E by m nu. Similarly, what is the coefficient of delta n by n? KT divided by n nu. Okay, here coefficient of delta n divided by equal to, you can say here D. Okay, so D equal to KT divided by m nu. D equal to KT divided by n nu. Here we are comparing coefficient of delta n by n. So ये मिला हमको और इधर हमें ये मिला. Okay, so what is the ratio of D? D equal to D n mu. D equal to KT by n nu. D equal to KT by n nu. What is divided by mu? What is mu? E by m nu. M nu will be cancelled. Okay, so D by mu equal to KT by E.